Welcome to Somfy's instructional video series. In this video, we will show you step-by-step instructions for programming limits for a cassette awning with a Sunea motor. It's important to power only one motor at a time while programming. The outer limit will need to be set. The inner limit is set automatically. Start programming by pressing both up and down at the same time until the motor jogs. A jog is a brief in and out movement of your motorized product. Press down to move the awning out. Stop it at the desired outer limit by pressing My. Press and hold My and up until the awning begins to move, then release. Stop the awning halfway by pressing My. Press and hold My until the awning begins to move. This automatically sets the inner limit. Press and hold the Program button on the back of the remote until the awning jogs. Now is an ideal time to install and add any additional accessories, such as sun or wind sensors, wall switches, and timers. Enjoy your Somfy motorized awning!